Hi there, students. Morph. Morph. Okay, to morph as a verb. It also could be a noun. This means to change in a gradual process to become something else. So, for example, a caterpillar morphs into a butterfly. Okay, here you've got the origin. A caterpillar metamorphosizes into a butterfly. So to change from one thing into the other. His mood morphed from Mr. Pleasant and Mr. Nice Guy into an ogre all of a sudden. Okay, so to morph, this is talking about change, particularly changing slowly and seamlessly into something very different. As the film goes on, in the beginning we see a very relaxed guy, but the stresses and tensions of the world morph him into a nervous wreck. Okay, so there's this word morph, to change, to transform. Very often this word is used in computers where you've got two pictures and you morph them together. You put them together to change it into another, or maybe one picture morphs into another. It slowly changes into another. Okay, so let's look at this as a noun. Okay, a morph, which is short effectively for morpheme. Yeah, a morpheme. This is linguistics. Okay, a morph is something that indicates a linguistic form. So, for example, ing is the morph for the present participle in English. Or a morph you could also use in biology, one of several variant forms of an animal or a plant. So the caterpillar and the butterfly, and I guess the egg as well, are different morphs of the same animal. Yeah? Okay, they're different types of it. Okay, let's see. We use this word morph as a suffix to go at the ends of words, and it means that something has a specified form or character. So metamorph, meta meaning across, a metamorph, to change across from one thing to another, and endomorph, a mesomorph. Okay, these are characteristics of things. Okay, so let's go back to the verb to morph, to transform or to be transformed. The dull rainy day slowly morphed into beautiful sunshine. Yeah, he morphed from an awkward teenager into a handsome young man. Yeah, the ugly duckling morphed from a cygnet into a beautiful swan. He morphed from somebody who was pretending to be his best friend into his worst enemy. And then morph, having the structure or the form of the previous thing. Isomorph, okay, the same form. Okay, and this is related to morphology, the study of shapes. Yeah, the study of different forms. So to morph, to alter, to change, to modify, to move from one thing into another. Okay, so there we go. So what about formality? To morph. I think I'd probably give it a 4.5 in formality. I think you would probably use, in something more formal, semi-formal writing, metamorphosize, or your morpheme, or metamorphosis, or something like that. Metamorphosis, both possible. So keep it informal conversation, informal writing. Semi-formal, I think, maybe just, but no more than that. And then, as to origin, well, this word comes from ancient Greek, morphe, meaning form or shape. Yeah. This word actually, to morph, is reasonably new, probably from the 1980s or the 1990s. So it's showing that the growth of language. I guess to metamorphosize is just too long. It's much easier to morph. So one thing morphs into another. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To morph, and morph as a suffix, yes.